If you want to get the best gas pressure washer according to your needs, then watch the video till the end and then decide. So let's get started. At number 1 position, we have Westinghouse WPX2700. Westinghouse manufactures both electric and gas pressure washers and has 50 years of experience making these machines. The budget-friendly WPX2700 has a class-leading 212XC 4-stroke engine that's easy to start. Despite the larger-than-average size, it produces 2,700 psi at 2.3 GPM. The spray gun can be fitted with one of 4 quick-connect nozzles, 1 for soap delivery and 3 for different spray patterns. It connects to the pump via 25 feet of abrasion-resistant hose. At half a gallon, the detergent tank is big enough to tackle large areas without frequent refills. A weight of 63 pounds combined with 12-inch wheels also makes it very maneuverable. Moving on to the next at number 2 with SIMPSON Cleaning MSH3125. This SIMPSON pressure washer comes with a powerful 196C Kohler motor that is known for its reliability. It drives a maintenance-free pump producing 3,100 psi and 2.4 GPM. It includes 25 feet of high-pressure hose, which connects to a spray gun that comes with 5 interchangeable nozzles. This machine can handle a wide variety of tasks. The addition of a 15-inch surface scrubber adds even more versatility. This makes the SIMPSON an outstanding tool for decks, driveways, and garage floors. The resilient powder-coated steel shell combines a stiff bristled edge with a pair of rotating stainless steel jets. Together, they cut through dirt with great efficiency and leave a virtually streak-free finish. For substantial surface areas that need to be cleaned regularly, this is a worthy choice. The number 3 position is held by Generac 8874-2900. This Generac model has the same high build standards and long-term reliability as other top picks, but it is a compact chassis with a weight of just 50 pounds. Despite the smaller size, it is fitted with a high-performance 196C carb-compliant motor and delivers a healthy 2,900 psi of cleaning power at 2.4 GPM. 4 quick-change nozzles and 25 feet of durable hose are provided. Rubberized never-flat tires and good overall machine balance make for great maneuverability. A cushion handle and easy pull trigger help minimize operator effort. When not in use, the spray wand stores neatly against the side of the machine, reducing required storage space. Next at number 4, we have BLUBERY 3500 psi gas pressure washer. With its powerful 212V motor delivering 3,500 psi and 2.6 GPM, this BLUBERY model can tackle tough household challenges like brickwork, fences, and driveways with ease. A selection of 4 angled nozzles and 1 for soap mean it's not all about heavy-duty output. The BLUBERY also can clean cars or patio furniture. At 80 pounds, it is rather heavy, but 13-inch pneumatic tires boost mobility and can handle all kinds of surfaces. Additionally, 50 feet of high-pressure hose gives it much greater reach than many rivals, so it needs to be moved less often. The generous 1-gallon soap tank can run longer between refills, too. Finally, the number 5 position is dominated by WPX3100-3100, a great pick for best budget gas pressure washer. This model has a durable 208C 4-stroke engine that makes it among the most powerful in its class. It allows the pump to deliver 3,100 psi at up to 2.5 GPM. The set mimics that of many more expensive models. There's a long-life axial pump, a quick-connect spray gun with 4 angled nozzles and 1 for soap, plus 30 feet of tough reinforced hose. The onboard detergent tank holds 32 fluid ounces. While not aimed at professional users, the WEN is sensitive enough to tackle vehicle bodywork without risking damage, yet still provides sufficient performance for difficult cleaning tasks around the yard. That's all for today. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell button for the upcoming video notification.